Welcome to Subtract Integers. Let's go over the rules before we jump into the examples. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to keep the first integer just as it is. If it's negative, we keep it as negative. If it's positive, we keep it as positive. Next, we're going to change the subtraction sum to addition sum. So we're going to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. Next, we change the sign of the second integer to the opposite sign. So the second integer, we're going to change to the opposite sign. So if it's positive, we're going to change it to negative. If it's negative, we're going to change it to positive. And then we add the two integers. So let's go into our examples step by step, following these simple rules. First, -6 minus 30. So we're going to keep the first integer as it is. So we're going to keep -6. Next, we're going to change the subtraction to addition. So we're going to have plus. Next, we're going to change the sign of the second integer to the opposite sign. This is 30, so we're going to change it to -30. And now we add the two integers. So when we're adding integers, we add the numbers. -6 plus 30, 36. When we are adding, if the signs are the same, we keep the same sign. So this will be -36. Next, -16 minus, subtract -27. So we're going to keep the first integer, so that is -16. We're going to change the subtraction to addition. Then we're going to change the second integer to the opposite sign. So this is -27. So it will become +27. And now when we are adding integers, if the signs are different, we subtract the numbers. So we're going to subtract 16 from 27, and that is 11. And when we're done, we're going to keep the sign of the larger number. So the larger number is 27 and it is positive. So this will be a +11. Next, 29 minus 24 minus -24. So we are keeping this 29, +29, we're keeping that. Next step, change the subtraction to addition. Next, we change the second integer to the opposite sign. So that would be +24. And then we go ahead and we add 9 plus 9 and 4, 13. 2 plus 2 and 1, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1, 5. So when we are adding, as normal, simple addition, same sign, positive result. Next, 22 minus 27. Keep the first integer as it is. 22. Change the subtraction to addition. And then the second integer will have the opposite sign. So the opposite sign of 27 is negative 27. Next, we're going to subtract whenever we're adding. If it's two different signs, we subtract. So 27 minus 22 is equal to 5. And when we're done, two different signs when we're adding, we keep the sign of the larger number. So let's try our last example on the number line. 5 minus 7. Okay, so 5 is a positive 5. So we're going to start right there at 5. And we're going to minus 7. That means we're going to go to the left 7 spaces. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 2. So 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 2. And if we were to do it following the 4 steps, we would get the same negative 2. So this is 5 minus 7. We're going to keep the first integer. Then we're going to change to plus. We're going to change to addition. And then we're going to write the opposite of the second integer. The opposite of 7 is negative 7. Now we're adding. We have two different signs. When we're adding and we have two different signs, we're going to subtract. 7 minus 5, 2. And then we keep the sign of the larger number. So whichever way, whether we follow the 4 simple steps or the number line, we arrive at the same answer. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And I hope you find this very helpful. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.